Hey, this is Fuchsia from Lune, and this is my second acrylic pour. The paints are mixed with 2 parts American floetrol and 1 part acrylic paint. In some cases, I put in a splash of glitter mixing medium to make flat paints sparkly. Once the floetrol and the mixing medium and the paint is mixed, then I start adding water to thin it out and get the consistency that I want. So I do not measure. I just kind of eyeball it. But I did have too much paint for this size canvas. But it is better to have too much paint than not enough. I also put some silicone in the paints. I put about 2 drops per color. I pre-painted the canvas black so that the silicone wouldn't show through. It's a white canvas, and sometimes the silicone will create these caverns and then show what's behind it, so I wanted it to be black back there. I love these colors. So one thing I did learn from my first painting was to mix the paints outside or wear a respirator. I just mix them outside. This stuff is definitely not good for your lungs. So I'm going back in and filling in the sides with the extra paint. Once the painting dried, I had to clean the silicone droplets off of the canvas, so I'm probably going to get a different type of silicone oil. But it was easy enough to clean off with a little bit of window cleaner. I varnished it at the end as well. With the varnish, it dried super fast, so I basically just poured it straight out of the bottle onto the piece, and I used a paintbrush to spread it very quickly. I learned a lot of these things from AB Creative. She has a YouTube channel. Go check her out. She is absolutely incredible. Here comes the swipe. I've got some plastic sheeting that I'm using. It was left over from the drip protection. I'm basically just jiggling the plastic back and forth, and it's forming all these really cool cells. And that is because of the silicone in the paint. So you can see the colors popping out now through the black. And I'm using the heat gun to bring more cells out. It kind of moved the paints in a way that I didn't like. But this type of painting does what it wants. You're basically just there to guide it. So I have already invested in a torch, which does not move the paint. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Bye, see you next time.